wanna listen, so baby, tell me where your love lies. Waste a day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where your love lies.
Hey guys, it's Miz, and I decided that I'm gonna do a fall inspired makeup look. A lot of my favorite YouTubers are doing fall inspired makeup looks, and you know, once again, I wanted to practice doing my makeup because I haven't done it in a long time, and I need a little bit of inspiration to start doing my makeup again. And I have a lot of makeup that needs to go to use, so why not use it here? And I hope you guys enjoy the video, and this should be a quick and easy makeup tutorial. If not, then I apologize. But if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and let's get on with the tutorial. That was a tongue twister. Oh my god. So I did my brows, and now I'm gonna put concealer on my eyes. I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Defined. It's really bright in my room all of a sudden, but we're gonna use that. I need an eyeshadow palette with a mirror, so I'm just gonna open this one. I think I messed up my eyebrow. I have concealer on my eyes now, so I'm gonna take the 350M eyeshadow palette, and we're just gonna do an orangey brown look, or I don't know, an orange look with a cut crease. Sorry, my brushes are kind of dirty, so I'm kind of looking at which ones are not that dirty, you know. And yes, I need to wash them really bad. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this orange shade right here and applying it to my crease. Pretend like I know what I'm talking about. Pretend. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this shade, I don't know, creamsicle, and apply it to my eyes. Cause it looks like I put concealer on my eyes. Like I just like set the concealer and no actual different color. Okay, well it looks like my eyeshadow's making my eyeshadow. I cannot talk. It looks like my concealer has already made an eyeshadow shade. I'm getting really frustrated today. Getting really frustrated. Okay, well, we're just gonna have to go deep. We're gonna go deep. You know what? This color transition thing is not working because of my eyeshadow. But I'm gonna use this color. You know what's funny? Before, I used to do eyeshadow looks, and like I would like do one eye, obviously do one eye at a time like how I'm doing now, but I used to do one eye and I could never remember what eyeshadow I had used before, and so I was always like, my eye would always look different shades because I didn't know what eyeshadow I was using prior to the one that I just put on. I did not remember. So that's pretty tragic, and for some reason this one is like looking really brown. Now I'm gonna take this shade right here and apply it. I don't know. I'm gonna cut my crease with this e.l.f. Concealer in Fair. We love a fair concealer. Wow. Okay. So to be honest. Like with this one, it's just like so easy for me to do. And then the other one, I'm struggling. Alrighty. So that's what I'm gonna do for my cut creases. And then we're done. No, but okay. So now I'm gonna go in with a flat brush. And usually I use my hands, but like I don't want them to get too dirty. And we're going to use, let's see if I can use this eyeshadow palette, because I think it's full of glitter. Yeah, it's full of like shimmery shadows. This is the Galaxy palette. Now I haven't really used this one, so we're gonna use this one. Please forgive me. Are you supposed to spray it or something? Like you're supposed to spray your brush if you're using glitter? I don't know. We're gonna try. We're gonna try. If not, then oh well. Oh well. Oh. Okay. Wow, this feels really moist, and I don't really like moist stuff next to my eye. I don't know if it did anything. We're gonna try a different color. I'm gonna try green. You can definitely see the green here. I should have just done it with my hands like I normally do, but I wanted to be creative and use a brush. Okay, we're gonna go back. I'm gonna go back into that one shade that we used in the beginning, this one. I'm just gonna go around it and like define it. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just saying what the other beauty gurus say. The end of the glitter, it's I'm gonna say creamsicle and the Morphe palette. Just pack it on in there. Pack it on in there, gal. Pack your bags. And I'm like, and yeah, we'll see how this one goes. I'm just gonna blend it in the edges of the two. So we're gonna just do the face stuff. Is someone knocking at my door? Hold on, it might be someone at the door. Okay. I'm dead. Because I didn't think anyone was at the door. But then I remember my mom was like, someone is going to be at the door and you're going to have to get a signature for it. And then I had to sign for it. Hilarious. Because I was like, no one's going to be knocking at my door right now. Like, I'm busy, man. Not like, but she had a package. I don't know what it was. I'm blind without my glasses, so I couldn't even read. I was like, okay, I'll sign. I can't really see where I'm signing, but okay. Alrighty. It was so funny because he was like on the phone with his like person. I don't know who it is. I don't know how the mail company works, but oh my gosh, you know what sounds similar to mail? Mail, like males, like people with the D, you know? I'm funny. Woo! Please give me an award. I'm just amazing. Like, I just realized that. Male and male. It was a male who gave me it. It was a male who gave me the mail. Like, I'm literally shook right now. Oh, okay. My lips are kind of dry, and the foundation is making it burn. Already. I look kind of orange. this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the eyeshadow. This kind of reminds me of what I did for my birthday dinner in May. So yeah, I just wanted to like test out some colors, you know, get inspired. I've been watching a lot of fall videos, so I was definitely inspired. Hopefully I will do like a Halloween makeup look, but you know, your girl is not that like talented with makeup. She only does it for fun, so she always keeps it like simple and easy. So that's what I wanted to do, and if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.